Hey guys, let's talk about CHILIZ. And if you're a football fan, that would be fantastic news because of the fact that you can vote on the outcome of your team on superficial or maybe something fundamental. But at this moment, you can buy tokens from this company called CHILIZ. And let me show you their logo page. And that is actually how they look like. Looks pretty cool, looks pretty blockchainish, looks pretty legitimate. And it is legitimate on the fact that they have raised 27 million themselves and 65 million coming from Binance. Um, that Binance has invested in them. So they do have a little bit of a credibility. And let's check out the team. And the team consists of this guy called Alex um, Dreyfus, and he's pretty popular player of poker and commentator as well. So now he is starting his own ICO. It was a little bit weak. I think they did it in 2018 sometime, and only got 27 million. And 27 million in the ICO world was kind of weak. But however, they mitigated with a Binance investment from CZ Zhao. So that is actually always a good thing from the Binance people. So let's check out the team. They got Alex Dreyfus, and they got, I think one of these guys are the CEO, the CTO of Ethereum. So that definitely knows something about blockchain, which is a good thing. And the advisory board is, um, oh, never mind. This guy is the CCO of Ethereum. So what about this guy? Oh, couldn't click on it. But anyway, so doesn't really matter. It seems like they have put a team together, and the CEO of CEO of CHILIZ, Alex, have told me that they got 40 people in Malta. And so here are some more investors. It's always a good thing to have Chinese people on board. And so basically, what you do with this app, it's pretty simple. The fact that you pay with your credit card to get these socials um, and convert these into tokens of your favorite team. And you could change the jerseys, you could change the outcome of maybe they could sing a song, some players and stuff like that, just to engage with the players so that you could do something with it instead of just passively watching. Because a lot of fans out there, they feel like they are just passively doing something. It's not very interactive. Through this, in a way, the players or the team are forced to comply with certain voting rights, voting of certain things, which is very interesting because now blockchain is really using a real life application, and this can really take off if a lot of people participate in it. And obviously, the technicality has to be there as well. And currently, let's check out the roadmap. Oops, there's a phone call. The roadmap is that let's see if it's news. Not quite, but supposedly is that they have something working already by this time. They're having some delays, but not by much. I bet like they could, get it, get this thing started maybe in a quick while. Since I've seen um, their app already, that's seems like to be working. But however, it's just not released to the public quite yet. And coming from a development background, I know for sure that these things are not going to be developed on time anyway. So there are just various things, including people walking off and stuff like that, and out of the project. So these are a couple of months of delay, 1 or 2 months is perfectly normal when it comes to think about it. And this is their place from Malta, and they do work out of Malta, so which is the basically heaven for blockchain and cryptocurrencies community. That really actually makes me want to live there sometimes, but we just have to find the right place at the right time. But here are the job openings for the Malta office. So they are hiring people. So this is not just something they are BSing. They're hiring a couple of developers, hiring some UI developers, um, and some marketing people. Obviously, head of marketing and marketing executive in China. So who doesn't want Chinese money, right? So right now is still on the development stages, but they could release this app anytime, and I think you could still buy it. Can you buy it at this moment? I know the ICO has passed, but I guess yep, you just have to wait until the app comes along and then buy with your credit card. I think the people that did buy it from the ICO, they could keep it, and they probably bought it at a discount. So whoever did missed out, well, I guess in a way too bad. I think this seems like it's a pretty promising app and pretty fun as well. And that's a guys enjoy, and do go to chiliz.com and check out what this is all about.